friends, today we're going to make sweet and sour ribs. Super easy. It does take a little bit of time, but it's totally worth it. Let's get started.
This dish requires very simple ingredients, and you probably have all of them already in your kitchen. 1 green onion, remove the roots, and then cut it into half. 4 cloves of garlic, remove the skin. There's no need to mince the garlic because later they will just melt into the ribs. 1 pound of baby back ribs. To make the ribs more tender, we can remove the membrane first. Then we're going to locate the bones and then cut the ribs in between into smaller pieces. Trim any excess fat from the ribs. Now we're done the preparation for our raw ingredients. Then let's prepare our sauce. In a bowl, we're going to add in cooking wine, vinegar, sugar, and soya sauce in the proportion of 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can use this sauce for other sweet and sour dishes too, not just ribs. Stir well. We need 1 star anise. You can usually find this in an Asian grocery store. Star anise has a very comforting scent and taste to it. Now let's cook the ribs. You need a sauté pan about 3 inches deep. Over medium-high heat, put down about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We're going to pan-sear the ribs first. Cook them until golden brown on both sides, about 2 minutes per side. Next, we're going to add in our green onion and our 4 cloves of garlic. Stir in the sauce. 3 cups of water. And last, our star anise. Cover the pan and simmer the ribs on low for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce doesn't add much flavor, but it will give our dish a nice rich color. Then we're going to cook the ribs uncovered for 20 minutes or until all the liquid evaporates. Towards the end, make sure you give the ribs a very good stir so all the ribs get covered with our finger-licking sauce. And you're all done! If you like this video, like or subscribe. I will be delighted. See you next time. Bye!